Want to create a survey but not sure how to get started? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to create a survey that's easy to build and get you the responses you need. Let's dive in. Start by opening your form app. Once you're on the dashboard, tap the plus icon to create a new form. Give your survey a clear and relevant name, for example, Customer Satisfaction Survey. Add your questions. Think about the type of data you want to collect. Here are some examples. Use multiple choice for questions like, how satisfied are you with our service? And provide options such as very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied. Use rating type if you want respondents to rate something on a scale. For example, rate your experience from 1 to 5. Use short answer to collect specific feedback, like, what can we improve? Organize into sections. If your survey has multiple topics, group related questions into sections. This keeps the form organized and easy to navigate. You can make some questions required so respondents don't skip them. Adjust the order and layout to make it flow logically. Before sharing it, preview your survey to make sure everything looks good and flows well. Once it's ready, share the survey link with your audience via email, social media, or any other platform. Creating a survey is simple and straightforward with the Form app. Whether it's for customer feedback, research, or internal use, you'll have all the tools you need. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tips. Let us know in the comments what type of forms you're creating.